Ronald's right here. Hey, you want to whack a guy? You want to whack off a guy? Yes.
Don't blame me, I voted for Wayne and Jenny.
Yes. Ooh. That is a pretty color. That is nice. Oh, that was that one guy. Got the pretty Supra. I still can't get past that GTR, GTT.
Yeah, man.
That looks so sick just sitting like that.
Yep.
Real sick. Yep. A nice Porsche 911.
It used to be, but now it's
Sick. Ooh.
I mean, also like a special selection
Nice.
color. You have to order
BMW.
upcharge you for it.
Look at that interior. The interior is pretty sick.
Yeah, gosh, like I had a British Racing Green that was it.
Porsche.
Oh, right here, really? Yeah.
Ooh. This one is for that. Alright, now we got Jason over here.
Huh?
Got Jason over here. Watching cars. Got his own get up over here. Car supply warehouse. Hey, we helped him move.
We sure did.
That was hard labor. Look at Jason getting it.
Hard work.
Hey.
Always wheels first, Jason. Wheels first.
Oh yeah.
Car detailing 101.
Yeah.
He's not paying attention.
Watch the cords, guys.
Gotcha. Where is this thing?
Right, that's all right.
Dun, 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 dun. Being sneaky with the storm's covers.
What? How do you air this?
Okay, how do you air this up, guys? There it is, right here. Oh, it's all deep. You're going deep this time. Sorry, Omar, you're right there.
Sorry, man.
We got you.
Well, should we do this one? I don't want it to fall off and it just get in between there. Or maybe I should do the ears, huh?
Well, we could do the Urus.
You can't get I just don't want it to come off and it gets away and stuff. Yeah. Let's do the ears. Let's do the ears. You got lucky.
Yeah. Got lucky this time, huh?
Now that's like we've done them all. Like Damon was standing right there by his car. We got it. He didn't even notice. And then
We did
same
it
thing
with
with
Steve.
Hamilton.
Yeah. Do 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 do. Just tear some people down.
Here's some extra fashion for you, Mo.
Yep, right there. Oh yeah. Oh, look here. Sorry guys. You got it rough.
And then they'll just be on there forever. Like they
Don't even know.
They won't even know. They won't even know.
I didn't know for the longest time. I think I was at like a car wash or something. I was like,
I've had one on my boss's truck for like 6 months.
wow. He still hasn't.
Yep.
Yep,
Still
still
no
has
idea,
it.
sir.
He still has it.
Wow.
Don't you still have one on your brother's bike?
No, I think he finally found that.
He finally found it. Yeah.
We had one on my dad's bike for the longest time, and that was glow in the dark.
That's funny.
That is a sexy color.
I love this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it.
You got it, bro.
Oh yeah, we got it too.
Yeah.
We gotta get to them. So.
Look at two, imagine.
One get blue, one get purple, or yellow.
It's like that gray GTR over there. Actually, it's a GTT. You seen it over there?
The R34.
The R34?
Oh, yeah.
That's actually a GTT, not a GTR.
I did not know
But it
that.
has the body kit.
It's got a body kit on it, but it's rear-wheel drive, so that makes it more fun. You can just slide it around.
Oh.
Yeah.
The more you know.
The more you know.
The more you know. It's clean, man.
It is.
The other's real good.
Yep, it's got the whole body kit on it. They changed the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Fun fact in the fourth Fast and Furious, the one where Brian's driving in the race with the blue one, it was actually a GTT. That was
So he had this.
Yeah, he
Well,
had like this
they didn't
one.
want to actually hurt a
Real GTR.
R34.
Ah,
But the
gotcha.
GT, you could actually just drift it around and slide around. That's what they wanted it for. So it was actually cool.
Gotcha. Okay.
Love this one.
Yes. You have the spoiler with that hood is just straight nasty.
I mean, everything about it is GTR or R34.
Yep.
Except for suspension.
Okay. Real nice. That is sick.
The Parasangua.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
I love the pairing with the 296.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, with the Ferrari red.
It looks real good with Ferrari red.
Oh yeah, and it's got the white interior. If you want to take it back to the classic, the Ferrari red with the peanut butter guts.
Yeah, then that's iconic for us.
Yes. But these are really nice. Take this or they're yours.
There's gonna be less of these than people with Urus's.
Yeah.
So
I see one every day on the way home from work.
You don't see
every
this
day.
every day on the way home.
No, I don't. Never. Never. It's Urus's and
Look at the
Cybertrucks.
headlight. They're like, you can't even see it.
No. This is the headlight.
Oh shit.
There is nothing in there. That is pretty tripped out.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. That is pretty bad. Yes. And the door's suicide. 296.
Tell you what, it was neat seeing the 296 yesterday.
Yeah.
Do the electric and then the cold startup.
Oh yeah, because when he rolled off the ramp, he started moving.
Yep.
It was nothing. I was like,
It's
yes.
so trippy seeing supercars go EV mode.
Yes. Especially the Revolto when you drove it. It was
Yes.
like that.
Turn it on, nothing, and then after it warms up, that little switch, and then boom, the heavens erupt.
Yes. Yes. But this is sick. Ferrari red. Classic. Then that Evo 4, 5, sorry. They're both basically not much of a difference. But I'm surprised that this one's actually left-hand drive. I don't. Were they out here at that time?
Oh wow, that's
obviously.
crazy. Well, shoot. I guess so.
I swore they were like strictly in Japan at that time.
I guarantee you this is probably way more than a right-hand drive spec.
Oh yeah. Yeah, take a look at this. It's be a fun time. Ooh, with the red interior. That is sick.
He's done the tail of the dragon in it.
Yes. Oh yeah. Revolution. Straight rally. Got the Harley lights too. Then you got yours. We already been over here. It's got a big OD on it. Look at that. Signal back to it.
Yeah, you got it.
Uh-oh.
Hey Mike, this is for you, bro.
Now flip it. Yeah.
The Georgia story. But look at that, the 720 with the livery walk. That's
I am so glad I got to
1.3.
see it in person since you got to go to the garage.
Yes, I seen it in the garage. I got a better picture of it. And they said when I was talking to George in the video, he was saying they're not doing a lot of with this until they get the wheels on it, the Rohanas. But the GTR and the 720, oh yeah, you can't go wrong with that. You cannot.
Well, then you gotta check out that other video because I didn't know that was a special like Dula body kit.
Yeah, I didn't know either. Too bad they didn't bring the NSX with that body kit on it.
Dimitri's leaving.
Yep. Bye, old friend. This is still nasty. It's still just as attention getters with all the spray paint.
Oh yeah.
This is it. Run him over.
We're staring at this.
Yeah. That is sick.
That CS thing, like,
With the
you wouldn't know
Carven?
because it looks like a regular engine.
George. He's being famous on his phone, making business contacts. Yeah, that video came out really good.
What's up, George?
Finally made it out.
Sorry I
man.
missed you, man.
Missed the stop.
I know. He's got a girlfriend now, so
He does
his
that. He
balls.
does that stuff on purpose. He goes and does cool stuff when I'm not here.
Yep, all the time. He's got a girlfriend now, so his balls are in her purse, so he can't do nothing. Yeah.
No more cars for you.
No more. Babe, we need to get a station wagon for all the kids.
There's no kids.
Yeah, that was nice. We actually pranked Damon Fryer yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Did a video with him?
Kinda. Dude, he got barmated. So we put a dig on his car. So.
On the Revolto?
Yeah, the Revolto. So he's driving around to Chicago with a dig on his car. So.
Where did that idea come from?
Where did we get that idea?
I don't know. I think it's all online. We thought it'd be hilarious.
Yeah.
And then we started doing it last year. We've gave tons of people the D.
Yeah, Steve Hamilton.
Multiple times.
We haven't did Rohana yet.
No.
I think that's gonna be next. You're not.
I
Gonna
don't know
what's
that
coming.
we don't want to deface these beautiful wheels.
I know, that's why. That's one reason. So I was telling George that I bought the Shell gas station model thing.
Yep.
And we were playing car meets the other night.
We went out and bought new Hot Wheels to put in it.
Yep.
First Jesco in Chicago pulling up.
Yeah, exactly.
And Tamara.
And then Eric yelled at me because I put which one was it? The Remax at a pump? Like,
Yeah, I'm like, why is the Rimac at a pump? That made no sense. Like, if we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it right.
It's a typical car meet fight. Don't park there. You can't park there.
Chris Fix did like a whole video where he like this is how you do an oil change on a Tesla, and he put it on the lift and then pop the hood and it's not a Tesla engine like, or motor.
Yes, that is hilarious. That is hilarious.
He's like, and he did like he's like, don't forget to pull a sample to make sure that all the electrons are in order or something. I thought it was hilarious.
Yes. I never thought of doing that. That'd be funny.
That was hilarious.
Yes. Very sick. Alright. With the Rohanas. Still a beautiful color. And then with the orange with all the carbon on it, that is sick. Carbon fiber diffuser. Still sexy.
Revolto is a beautiful.
And then you got the 720 with the Rohanas on it.
How many times do you want to call it a GTR?
I called it a lot in the last video. I wonder how many people already yelled at me in the comments for it.
Not enough.
But with the body kit, I just get some 720 GTR vibes from DDE. But look at this. The wheels in the sunlight, it's got the Rohana stitch on it. Embroidered with the Golf livery. Everybody in their Golf liveries now. It's crazy. And then you got this iconic R34. A full HKS build. That is sick. Beautiful. Beautiful. Fun fact, if you watched our last video with Rohana, this is actually all carbon fiber, the whole spoiler. That's how you got the insides. But they wrapped it for the baseline boot. It does look really good. It gives it a nice kick to it. But this is sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy.